Hello viewers from Saad Academy Tech Greetings. This is the third class upon PHP. Today we will talk about PHP syntax. A PHP script is executed on the server and the plain HTML result is sent back to the browser. A PHP script can be placed anywhere in the documents. A PHP script start with the starting angle bracket, then note of exclamation, and ends with the same, but firstly starting with the note of exclamation, then closing angle bracket. That means the basic syntax, if we type again, then this will be starting angle brackets, note of exclamation, the PHP course will be here, then we have to close it by note of exclamation and then closing angle brackets. The default file extension for PHP file is .php. That means when we will create a file, we have to name it at .php extension. A PHP file normally contains HTML tags and some PHP script codes. We have an example of a simple PHP file with a PHP script that use a built-in PHP function naming echo. Let's give you the example. First of all, I am typing the basic HTML format. I am copying it from Sublime Text to save your time. I am copying the full from my Sublime Text to my brackets to save our time. Then here in this body section we will type our basic PHP codes. Starting angle brackets, note of exclamation, type PHP, then echo, double quotation marks, engineer Maruf from Saad Academy, then Saad Academy, then clone to close the statements, then again note of exclamation and closing angle bracket. Let's run this code. Class this is from our class. I am saving it. I am opening my Firefox browser. While the opening Firefox browser, I am giving you a information, that is PHP statements must you have to end with a semicolon. Never avoid this. Localhost, then class, see the output. Okay, then I am loading our PHP. Then here see that with the default function of echo, we have printed the engineer Maruf from Saad Academy to our browser. It's showing. PHP is case sensitive. That means in PHP keywords, example, if, else, while, echo, etc. classes, function and user defined functions are not case sensitive. In the example below, all three echo statements below are equal and legal. I will show you. First, I am deleting this one, then I am typing whole letters in capital, echo, then engineer Maruf from Saad Academy. closing it. Then I am typing all to small caps. Echo from Saad Academy, and I am mixing both lowercase and uppercase letter. That means ECHO, echo. Well, I am typing the same text here. Let's see the output. What's happened? I am reloading the browser. Here see, okay, I am here using a HTML text naming BR before closing the statement BR. Well, here I am also using the BR. That means line break, reloading. Then after using the BR HTML tag, here see the both three is working. That means if we use capital letter or small letter, this will not affect anything. Here I am giving you another example. Only the first statement will display the value of the color variable. This because color are treated as three different variable. While using the variable name, we have to must be case sensitive. Here I am typing another PHP code. Let's type with me. I am closing it. Here I am declaring a variable $, color, assigning a value, naming red. I am closing the statement. Here I will print echo, then double quotation marks, my car is. Here to print this value, we have to then here give a full stop, then the variable name. Our variable name is color, color. Okay. Well, then closing the statement. Here I am reloading the site. Here see my car is red. So here see, in our code we are passing the value of the color variable is red. That means the browser will print my car is. Here is the variable, that means red. Well, let's reload the browser. Here see my car is red, perfectly printing. This is all about the PHP syntax. Greetings again from Saad Academy.